Hi, I'm Caleb Billings. I'm from Birch High School, and I'm studying welding technology at SEC. I want to go to college for medical, but I wanted to have a backup option. SEC does a great job with being able to put people into places that they want to be. It's a great way to kind of explore your options before you have to make your option. They do a good job with getting you into the workplace and get you job opportunities right before you even graduate. A lot of students here have gotten the opportunity to go to HSC. The project I'm most proud of is I made myself a coat rack at my house. I have it in my room for all my coats and hats. Some of the ways that I've changed is I've learned to be more creative and learn with the things that I have in the class and learn how to use different materials and stuff. Makes me be more resourceful. And trades have always been a very needed place in society, so it's great to have it as an option for a fallback.